Hello, today I'm gonna make a distorted Roland figure to accompany the Black Silence figure that I made. You can check it on my source. First, I need to make the design first. There, done. Now for the materials, I personally like to use trash lying around my house. For this one, I use cigarette packs and some duct tape to make the base body. And this London wall putty. This is my first time using this because it's cheap as F. London W. Now then, smothered all over its body. As it turned out, the London wall putty is sucked to make figure from because it's a crack after it dried. So basically you need tons of it to make it work. London L. To fix this, I used cold glue and squirted it all over its bodies. Now time to make the swords or durandal. With a broken spoon, broke it. The hilt's done. Started sculpting the black heads and stuff. Now some tools. And remember to always keep the worktable clear. For the hands, I use leftover parts from making their custom. Detailing, some iron wire, the clouds, and then hey. Goodbye.